Breaking news, Nigerians. Court rejects bail application of Ndigbo Nwajagu in Lagos over terrorism charges. Nigerians will say life no balance. That's when they talk not true. True. The life no balance. Some persons threatened attacks in Lagos during the election, the presidential election and the governorship election in Lagos, and these threats was carried out and nothing was done to them. People was left alone. Their properties were destroyed. I'm talking about the Igbos in Lagos. Their place of business were destroyed. People were killed. And the government did not even save them when all these things was going on. Nobody could come to their aid. Now, those people that made these threats, they are going scot-free. Nothing has happened to them. Nigerian government did not even try them. Nobody even questioned them. Why did they do what they did? And all that. Somebody went be saying, when don't they frustrated? If na not one protect us, at least we get people, IPOB, in the southeast, we can invite them to protect us. I just feel, well, say everybody they think differently. I just feel that out of frustration he said that. Did he actually meant that? Meant that? Maybe he said that so that the Lagos government, will step up and do something concerning what is going on in the Lagos state. Because you get as it be now. In your own state, you know if you protect your people. They ask people from another region, they protect their people. You get as it be. Now, they don't tag this man now as a terrorist. Those who killed people, those who destroyed people's properties, who burnt people's business places, they are going scot-free. In fact, they have no case to answer before the government. I repeat this again. Life, no balance, true be that. Well, make we hit the news and get the full details. But if you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. The Lagos State High Court, sitting at Tafawa Balewa Square on Friday, rejected the bail application of Ndigbo of RR0R1SM Estate, Frederick Nwajagu. The Lagos State government is prosecuting Chief Nwajagu on 9 account charge bordering on attempt to commit acts of terrorism, financing terrorism, participating in terrorism, and meeting to support a proscribed entity, offense he denied. When the matter came up on Friday, the vacation judge, Justice Yetunde, held that the court was constrained to refuse the bail application based on the seriousness of the offense and the severity of its punishment. The counsel to the Ndigbo, according to the Punch, had on July 25th, 2023, applied for bail, citing his medical reports, adding that he was not a flight risk. As he resumed hearing of the case on Friday, the court declined the defendant's bail application and ordered for an escalated hearing. Justice Yetunde held, based on the seriousness of the offense, the severity of the punishment, and the proof of evidence before the court is constrained to refuse the bail application. The application for an escalated hearing is hereby granted. The judge, however, directed the correctional facility officials to make arrangements for the defendant to visit a government hospital for his treatment. She adjourned the hearing until October 3rd, 2023. On the last adjourned date, the counsel to the defendant, Mr. E.C. Obiago, son, had prayed the court to grant bail to the defendant on grounds of his medical condition. He also told the court that the defendant was a widower who had 6 children who he would not abandon, therefore would not jump bail. Obiago claimed that the defendant does not possess An international passport, therefore, was not a flight risk. The defendant's counsel also said that the defendant was granted bail at the lower court but was not able to protect the bail due to his stringent condition. In his response, the Lagos State's Deputy Director for Public Prosecutions, Jonathan, however, urged the court to refuse the defendant's bail. He then begged the court to order an escalated hearing. Jonathan said among the things that the circumstances under which the defendant was granted bail at the lower court was different from the information filed against him at the higher court. He contended that the charges brought against the defendant by the police were materially different from the charge brought against the defendant by the Attorney General. The Lagos State government had in a suit number LD/21505C/2023 alleged that the defendant had contravened section 403(2) in brackets of the Criminal Law of Lagos State 2015. The state noted that the offense also contravened sections 12A(c), 18, 21, and 29 of the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act 2022. Nwajagu was arrested by operatives of the Department of State Service over an alleged threat to invite the members of the indigenous people of Biafra to Lagos to secure properties of Igbo people in the state. So guys, I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you.